Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube app on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now the first thing that you have to do is open your Google Chrome browser and then go to YouTube homepage, which is youtube.com, and then once you are here, all you need to do is click on these three little dots from the top right. Now click on install YouTube. Now from here click on install, and we are basically done. As you can see here is our YouTube app. Now if we go to our desktop, you can see that we also have a YouTube shortcut that you can click and open the app. Now you can use this app just like your YouTube phone app or just like a browser. And if we close it and double click on the YouTube app, you can see that it is working fine. And that is how you can install the YouTube app on your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.